Welcome to this new series, and I am in Malta. Malta is an island nation which is the south of Italy, and it is to kind of the east of Tunisia and the north of Libya. And this place is very unique, very special because it has a great blend of cultures, foods, civilizations, and it's very noticeable. So they drive on the right hand side here, which is similar to very few countries in the world. They also use a blend of different languages as well. And so some Arabic influence in the language, as well as some Italian and some other languages as well. They do speak English quite widely here, and it is one beautiful place which hopefully you'll get to see in some of my videos. So this is St. Thomas Bay, and I'm here just a week before Christmas, so it's not busy at all. The water's very, very clear, and a lot of fishing takes place around here, but as you can see, there's like literally no boats out docked here, so they're either away in storage or maybe there'll be a few which are out at sea. And yeah, it's very, very calm, very serene. I am staying like literally a 2 minutes walk from St. Thomas Bay in Mercer Scala. I don't know if I've pronounced that right, but it's just literally in the background up there. So just gonna have a walk out onto the pier now. And you can see some real small fish. I know it probably won't show up on the camera, but there is a lot of fish in the sea. So there are a few restaurants here along the promenade or parade or whatever you want to call it, but they're not busy at all. As you can see, this place would probably be extremely busy in the summer, and it would have a lot better vibe and atmosphere in the summer as well. So there is a sign just there which says Steve Reeves, so I don't know if that refers to the TV personality who is also a chef. But I'll have to do some research on that. It's located next to the Legends restaurant. So this is the ancient gun post, which has now been turned into like a bar and a snack point. This is Valetta, and over there is the Abercrombie Battalion in the distance. And it is a difficult place to park. There is some parking down here. I'm not sure how to get there, but on the actual roads it was very restricted, and obviously the amount of people that do come around here and go to the centre of Valetta, they do find problems with parking. But it is a beautiful view. It is very, very, very beautiful around here. Very peaceful, as you can see, and there's a lot of new apartments all on the seafront, which I'm sure they'll be very expensive as well. If you're looking for somewhere with a great view, come by this tower. This tower commemorates the Allied forces of the British Army and the Maltese people during the Second World War, and you can see the view from up here is amazing. Absolutely breathtaking, especially if you come around sunset time. You are going to experience some beautiful skyline views. So near St Paul's Cathedral you have a lot of really old alleyways which are really pretty. The surroundings are beautiful as well, as you can see here. It is a very nice blend of ancient architecture with some modern twist to it. As you can see, they've got hotels and stuff as well situated here. So this is the Sanctuary Basilica of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. There are a lot of bars and restaurants down these alleyways and side streets, as you can see here. And because it's close to Christmas time, there are a lot of street lightings. There's a variety of cuisines available as well, as you can see. And the Maltese people, they are very hospitable and welcoming as well. You don't face no inklings of any racism or dirty looks or anything like that as well, which is amazing. Gelato.
Yes, yeah.
Some of the squares are cordoned off because they are setting up, I think they're setting up some shows and stuff. So it's something to bear in mind if you do come in during seasonal times.
Just wanna go here.
Now it's become evening time, there's a lot more people out and about. I think people are starting to finish work and starting to socialise now. So there's a lot of shops which you would see all around Europe. There's a lot of the brands and stuff, so as you can probably notice, there are some of them like Spa, yeah, Esquire, The Body Shop, and a lot of brands that you generally see all over Europe. So there's designer shops like here, you can see a Rolex shop, and there's a lot of things like that. So they have a train which takes you around the city, and it's €7 a person, which we're gonna go on to now. So this is the train. Obviously you can see it has a lot of seats on there. We are on the second carriage. There are a few people on the first one, but I don't think it's extremely busy. €7 per adult and €5 per child over the age of 3. There are other things available as well. As you can see, there are tour buses, and I believe there's tuk-tuks as well available around the city. But once we start driving around, we'll give you a tour. So you can see there's a Ferris wheel and some Christmas markets as well. So this location is it's the Triton Fountain, which is right by the city gate. And I know you can't see a lot in the dark, unfortunately, but you can capture it in person. It is difficult, obviously, recording in this low light.
Thank you. Thank you. Good girl. They're not going to give us plates.
You get plate.
I'm worried about them ladies. They're going to invite some guys. I'm worried about the trash.
So in Valetta, it is a very beautiful place, especially like this time of year where it's extremely busy, and finding food can be difficult when you come to European countries, especially for those people who eat halal like myself. We found a place called Mooz Kebab, so MOO Moo Kebab, and it was a Turkish place, and they told us everything was halal, and they had quite a few options as well, which were really nice. So yeah, this is what we had. So I had a small platter, which they do around about 20 different options for salads and sides, along with grilled meat such as chicken, lamb, beef. They got a whole selection, so I just chose some skewers of chicken and of lamb, and yeah, it was really nice. So it is a place I can recommend. The service is top notch as well. So anyway, I know it's a short video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and see you on the next one. Ciao.